What's up, guys? I'm Tyler Fisher and I'm about to go fishing. I got all this new stuff. I got 60 live worms, I got all these hooks, and I got these little things. I'll show you more about it when I get there. I'll see you guys when I get there. Peace. This is not you. Alright, so guys, we're at the lake now, and yeah, just drank some water. I've been out here for like an hour, cause the video stopped like twice, and I wasn't getting any luck. I haven't caught anything yet. Now, ooh, that wind feels so good. Now that is what I needed. Guys, bro, my feet need water. Dude, the water is ice cold because I put freaking ice in it. Finally, Jesus, guys. I've been waiting for at least an hour for this. What is this? Oh, you got off. No! He got off. But at least I got him up to the surface. Alright, guys, so I just caught a sunfish. And it's really hot out right now. I don't think I could stay out here for that long. The sunfish got off. You guys are going to see the clip. But yeah, the sunfish got off, and it's super hot out. So I'm going to leave, go back home, and then I'm going to come back later today. Maybe around 12, something like that. But yeah. I'll see you whenever I'm back. Okay. Oh, God. I can't do that. Okay, guys, so I'm here at the lake again. It's currently 2:30, I think, and it's 2 something, and it's a lot more shady, and I won't be in the sun, and the sun won't be directly on my face again. Yesterday I came out here and I caught, ooh, should have left them in there, and I caught a catfish. Probably already said this, I don't think I added it in the video, but I caught a catfish, and while I was here, I had no idea what it was until now, but there was this fish that I kept on seeing, like, swim around the lake. Like, it was up, like, to the point where I could see it on the surface. Not on the surface, but, like, above the water. So, yeah, it was a pikefish. Yeah, so, I have no more weights. I have 1 weight on. All the minnows are gone. Never mind. They're here. Alright.
How's the fishing?
Good?
You catch anything?
No. Not yet. Oh, now I did.
There you go. Here, good luck for you.
Oh, guys, it's a catfish. Again. Guys, another catfish. I've been blessed with the catfish. So happy. Actually, this right here. Hey. Same thing happened yesterday. These catfish, like, they like eat it whole. There we go. Guys, look at this man. Alright, now I'm gonna release him. Jesus, his bone. I almost dropped the camera because his bone just like freaking stabbed me. Dude, those people said, "Catch anything?" And I said, "No." And then they was like, "Well, good luck." And then I said, "Well, now I did." Guys, what is this? Guys, remember I told you how small they were? How tiny is that? Look how small he is. 2 fingers. Guys, that dude was too small. I remember the time that I caught my first fish in a while. Oh, I got one. I got one. Oh, yo, I got a fish. Wow, I was so excited.